Una nang pinalabas ang sa likod ng Chapa. Kwentuhan mo naman kami dun sa dalawang international na na-receive ng pelikula.
Last January 18 sa Dhaka International Film Festival, yung Beneath the Badge, kasi nagkaroon siya ng shift, no? From sa likod ng Chapa to join the festival, kailangan ng subtitles na English. So, may mga nagsasuggest yung mga kaibigan din natin na parang maraming, naging malaswa sa likod ng Chapa. Nagkataon din na kailangan namin siyang i-artist sa International Film Festival. So, naging Beneath the Badge. And first sinubok namin sa South Africa, ito sa collegial body, mga professors na nanood. Tinitipid, sabi kasi nila na i-testing mo among sa mga academe. So, maganda naman ang review. So, nag-entry kami sa Dhaka International Film Festival. That was January 9, 7 to 14. At nanalo ng Special Mention Award ang Beneath the Badge. And nag-join din kami, nag-submit kami. Ito pala hindi namin, ngayon lang namin na-realize ni General Malanta na major award pala yung napalanula namin last March 15. No? Itong sa Worldwide Documentaries Without Borders sa US. Hindi namin na-realize na, ganun pala siya kasi Outstanding Excellence Award, one of the major awards pala yun sa festival. So, ang naging kasama doon, Japan, Mexico, USA, and Philippines. So, yun yung naging trajectory ni Chapa and the Believe. And meron din kami nomination sa Doc Only, yung sa Denmark, sa Copenhagen. Naging ano din kami nominate din kami. So, yun at first sabi ni General Malanta, totoo ba ito? Sabi ko, totoo sir, ito yung totoo eh. Kasi we did not expect, diba? From the very start, we did not expect na maging pelikula ito. Hindi, di ba sir? Nag-uusap lang kami. And ang target was 15-minute documentary for News and Philippines, di ba? Naglumaki ng lumaki at nakabot namin yung mga festivals. So ngayon, 2 awards kami, isang nominations international. So yun yung pinaka-update ko namin. Si Sir Hatsel naman may update din kasi may mga ginagawa yung last screenings, di ba? So, baka sir gusto may share sa kanila saan na umabot yung proceeds ng last screenings natin.
The process of the I will tell you that yung mga process ng docu-film, yung mga kinita ng docu-film, with the MOA, with the foundation, more particularly sa sexually molested children, because that's the intention to help them dun sa endeavors nila at least to give to alleviate pain dun sa sexually molested children. Like, I will did dito na yun. So, the Talikala Incorporated sa Raising the Bow, a decades-long refuge for survivors of sexual abuse, and gave them, I think 300,000 ang naibigay sa ngayon, and will give more. And the half of that was donated to the Davao City Police Advisory Council to complete an anti-children's library at Barangay Marilo District, a safe learning space for children in one of the city's most remote communities. Yan yung pinuntahan ng proceeds. So there will be more black clinics. I think there will be 5 or 6 more dito sa Calabarzon bago may bigay sa kinaukulan. And the process of that will be given to foundation sa I mentioned. So yan po. It's a noble one. It's bigger. Hindi yan malaki kumpara doon sa mga dinanas ng mga kababayan natin. I hope that the gestures by itself, it would inspire them. Actually, yung docu-film, the intention is to inspire people to not to be wounded, but to do the same. we did, I knows all the rooms, I knows all the operations, but you know, the intention by itself ay sana ko lang ma-inspire yung mga ibang tao